Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Binance account. So let's begin. Go to your web browser, search for binance.com, scroll down, click on Get Started and choose your area of residence. Then click on Create Personal Account, type your email address, set a password for yourself, click on Referral ID, type in 66254591, click on Next, and you will be taken to the next page for email verification. You will receive a code on your Gmail account. Copy that code and paste it here. Now, for further verification, you need to download Binance app. Skip phone number verification for now. Go to App Store, download Binance, as I already have downloaded it, so I'll just open it. Once you have opened Binance app, click on the home button in the left top corner. Log in with the same email and password that you just signed up with. Go through this verification process. Select these objects in the order given above. Click OK. Then for login verification, click on Get Code. You will receive a code on your Gmail account. Copy that code and paste it here. Click on Submit and you will be successfully logged into your account. Now you have to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number. You will receive a code. Copy that code and paste it here. Click on Submit and your phone number is verified. Now for further verification, click on Verify Now. And it will take you to personal information page. Now set your nationality first. Type your first name, your last name, and your middle name that is there on your national ID card. And don't forget to set your date of birth. And then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, it will take you to additional information page. Type in your residential address, your postal code, and your city name. Click on Submit down below and it will take you to identity verification. Now you can upload either your national ID card or your passport. That's up to you. If you are uploading your national ID card, make sure that it's in English and it should be a smart card. Read the instructions carefully. Make sure that your ID card is government issued, full size, unedited, clearly readable, and is placed against a single colored background. Now to upload your ID card, click on the front document down below. Once you click it, it will turn on your camera. Take photo of front of your ID card. Click OK, and it will get uploaded. Now scroll down and click on the back of document. Take photo of the back of your ID card, click OK and upload. Now wait for a while. Once both the photos get uploaded, click on continue. Now the next step is to take a selfie. Take a selfie of yourself with a neutral expression. Make sure your whole face is visible. It's in the center with your eyes open. Do not crop your ID or use screenshot of your ID. Do not hide or alter parts of your face. Click on Take Selfie down below. It will turn on your selfie camera. Take your selfie, click OK and continue. Now our final step of basic verification, that is face verification. Before clicking on begin verification, make sure you are not wearing hat or glasses. Avoid using filter and make sure there is enough lighting. Now click on begin verification, place your head within the frame and you are done with the basic verification. Now your profile will be under review and it may take 4 to 5 days. Once it is verified, it will show you completed with a tick mark to the right of your screen and you'll be able to deposit and withdraw up to 50K. Plus, you will also be able to do P2P transactions. Now, let me show you how to do advanced verification. Click on Verified Plus, then click on Start Now down at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your residential address. Click on Continue. Upload a document that has a proof of your residential address like your electric bill or your gas bill. Click on Continue. Click OK. Now wait for an SMS. You will receive it in a while. Once you open it, it will say, congratulations, you have passed the review and now you are a verified customer. Go back to Binance, refresh, and now your account is verified. If you really liked this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give a thumbs up to this video.